done it. Here we have a mongoose that I bought from the boot sale. A bit too much this time, but you know, it's reasonable, I suppose. COVID and all that. This is probably the most exciting thing I saw when I first walked in there. And yeah, it's got some interesting parts on it. Well, by interesting, I mean terrible. Okay, so we'll start with the handlebars. It's got zoom handlebars, a harrow stem. The zoom bar's not actually too bad, but they're pretty narrow by modern standards. Someone might have even cut them down. It's got throttle grips, as you can see here. It's got one hydro, yeah, just the one. It's a front Tektro Regular Comp. It's got these SR Suntour Epicon suspension forks, and well, you know what I think of Suntour, guys. Even though the Epicon's meant to be one of the better ones, yeah, they're not brilliant. They've never seen service, clearly, and they're stuffed. We have one of those really good bottom brackets. Hang on, it's not doing it at the moment because there's a scooter in the way. Mint. We have a RockShox. I'm not sure if this works yet. Hopefully it does. MC3 rear shock. Not exactly sure what that stood for, but hey ho, it's on here. Hopefully it's good, or else I'm going to be replacing O-rings. We have that bearing there, which looks totally mint, as does that one. I better be ordering some of those on eBay straight away. SRAM X5 rear derailleur currently, and that's running on, what wheel's that? It's like a Maverick clone. I don't think it's a Maverick, I think it's a Copier one. Yep, that'll be a Copier one. That's mint, as you can see. Nothing
bearing.
Nothing wrong with that. Oh, on the rear one. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, perfect. There's a shifter on here. It is a SRAM 9-speed shifter, which is absolutely amazing, as you can see. But no, all jokes aside, this thing should actually build up relatively easily with what we have, because over here we have another one of these Rofo bikes. This one has a significant crack in the frame, even though it was never used from what I can tell. Someone's just pillaged the wheels off of it, and yeah, so it had all the original packaging on it and everything else, so you know, all the gears and everything else are brand new. So we hope to swap all the parts from this one onto this one. Right, that concludes this part of the video. Watch part 2 to see the thing built. See you later.